And we begin with a developing story, well, rather a primetime news follow-up. The management of the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth is encountering difficulty getting permission from the parents of a 3-year-old who died at the facility on March 21 to have an autopsy done. The relatives have blamed the child's death on negligence. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, on a visit to the Black River Hospital recently, indicated that the autopsy for 3-year-old Taisha Bennett would have been done this week. However, when our news team made checks on Saturday, parish manager at the St. Elizabeth Health Department, Sean Brissett, disclosed that the parents of the child are yet to sign off for the autopsy to be done. Mr. Brissett said hospital staff have made several attempts to contact the parents who are yet to respond. But why? Our news team visited relatives and parity in the parish.
The reason why we don't want to sign the paper for the autopsy done, because those people don't want to take the blame that is their neglect.
Because the baby dead up a hospital for once. And dead for once, the doctor never pay attention to the baby. And we do not satisfy for how Taisha Bennett are dead. We don't satisfy. So indeed, if we talk to a lawyer and get to private, investigate the matters.
This is Pauline Bruce, mother to the woman whose child died at the hospital. She confirmed that the hospital staff have made contact with the family, but they're not pleased with how the matter is being dealt with.
We would sign the paper already, but they don't want to admit the fact because they say 2 doctors was there at the same time and the 2 doctors was emergency and the baby was number 5. The baby was 5. Then if the baby is 5 and it's 2 doctors working, how come the baby register 10 or 7 and died 12, 15? When you check it out, it's 2 hours apart.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the family's position is unfortunate.
While I understand the issues and the sort of challenges that would come with the untimely passing of a 3-year-old, I think it's important for us to try and advance the process to bring closure by firstly understanding what caused the death of the young child, and then determine from there whether or not it could have been avoided, who is responsible or should be held accountable, and what mechanisms need to take place in order to avoid a reoccurrence of this situation.
3-year-old Taisha Bennett died in her mother's arms at the Black River Hospital after being taken there due to an irregular breathing problem. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.